So you're scrolling through Instagram watching funny dog videos, and you see someone talking about making money online. And you're probably thinking, yeah, right, who's got time for that? But what if I told you it's totally possible, and it doesn't have to take over your life? Hey guys, I'm Mahana Bradley, and if you're a stay-at-home mom like me, you're probably looking for a way to make some extra cash without losing your sanity. In this video, I'm going to break down some easy ways you can start making money online without needing a fancy degree. And stick around because I'm going to tell you about a program that made a huge difference for me. Look, moms are already pros at multitasking. We've got 25 things going on at any given moment. And if you've ever managed to make dinner while stopping a toddler meltdown, you're basically qualified to run a business. So why not put those superpowers to good use and start making money from home? Thanks to the internet, you don't need to leave the house or find a babysitter to bring in some extra cash. There are tons of legit ways to make money online, and you don't even need to change out of your yoga pants. Let's start with freelancing. Do you have skills like writing, graphic design, or just being really organized? There are websites like Fiverr and Upwork where you can offer your services and get paid. It's like being a virtual assistant, but you get to pick your hours and your clients. Plus, no commute, unless you count walking to the kitchen for more coffee, a commute. Got stuff lying around? You can sell gently used baby clothes, toys, or even stuff you no longer need on platforms like Poshmark or Facebook Marketplace. Declutter the house and make money at the same time. Total mom win. Now, affiliate marketing is where you promote products you love and get a cut of the sales. The downside? It can take forever to see real money, but there's a faster way, and that's where the Legacy Builder program comes in. Okay, so here's the deal. The Legacy Builder program is the fast track to making money without having to create your own products or deal with any of the usual headaches. You promote the program and every sale is 100% yours. Yep, all the money goes straight to you. No sharing with some big company. It's super simple to follow, and you don't need to spend hours glued to your screen. Plus, it's scalable, which means you can start small and grow your income as much as you want. The best part? You can do it during nap time, after the kids go to bed, or whenever you find a quiet moment. And I know those are rare. I was in the same boat as a lot of you. Wanting to contribute financially, but not wanting to sacrifice family time. The Legacy Builder program gave me the flexibility to work when it suited me and still be there for the important stuff. It's a total game changer. If you're ready to stop thinking about making money online and actually start doing it, the Legacy program is your ticket. It's designed to help you succeed and to get you all the profits. Trust me, this is the simplest way to start making money without all the stress. Look, if I can do it, you can do it. You've probably got the multitasking thing down, so why not put it to work and start making money while you're at it? Click the link in the description to learn more and get started today. Once again, click that link below to check out the Legacy Builder program and see how you can start making money online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on earning from home and keeping your sanity intact. See you in the next video, mamas.